In this video, we're going over some general items you might find in the kitchen and the laundry room. Condiment bottles and clamshells are examples of recyclable plastic. It's important to give food containers a rinse before putting them in the blue cart. This is so that they don't contaminate the rest of the load. Look for recycling symbols with the number 1 to 7 in them. Some thin plastics like this might have a recycling symbol on them, but this kind of material is not accepted. Moving on to the laundry room, laundry detergent jugs and dryer sheet boxes are accepted. Some non-recyclable items include dryer lint and the dryer sheets themselves. For more information, go to saskatoon.ca/wastewizard, or you can download the Saskatoon Waste Wizard app. Hopefully this proves I'm not wearing the same stinky shirt all the time. See you in the next one.